Here from Elite Demonstrations, my good buddy Edison is making his breakfast sandwich in this Hamilton Beach breakfast sandwich maker. Now, this thing's absolutely perfect for toasting the bread, cooking your eggs, and everything in between, and you're going to love it. Now, Hamilton Beach has been making great breakfast sandwich makers and great appliances for decades. This one's really easy to use. It's got a non-stick surface, and you can easily clean it out. Just wipe it down, and you're good to go. With different compartments, you can make all sorts of breakfasts, lunches, and dinners. So don't think about this as just a breakfast sandwich maker. You can make a variety of different sandwiches and meals for the family. Just cook an egg if you want. And it is petite, so it'll be put away, and it's great for one serving at a time. I love the fact that my eggs didn't get stuck in here, and you can toast to your desired temperature. Watson likes his a little dark. So anyway, folks, I think you're going to love it. This is a great sandwich maker. Goodbye, my friends.